Hi, I'm Kesri, studied in CSCA section, Ashankar Institute of Technology. I'm explaining about topic is mathematical logic. Introduction. In this chapter, we shall study mathematical logic, which is concentrated with all kinds of resonance. Mathematical logic has two aspects. One hand to the analysis to the theory of the resourcing, whose goals is synthetic synchronizations quantified to the principal valid resourcing. It may be used to judge the correctness of a statement which make up the chain. The accept logic may be called classical mathematical logic. The other aspect of mathematical logic is interrelated with problems relating the foundation of mathematics. Graphy G. Grady, 1884-1925, developed in the idea regarding to the mathematical theory of applied to the system logic, principles of logic, valuable problems, analysis, program and logic design statements. A statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false, but not both. The truth of facility of statement is logically its truth value. The truth value, true and false of statements are denoted by T and F respectively. They are also denoted by 1 and 0. Example 1, Bangalore is in India. Example 2, 3 plus 7 equal to 9. Rows are red. Statement is usually denoted to the letters PQ or the capital letters A, B, C, D. PQ with the exception of the T and F are also used. Second will be the law of formal logic. Now we state two famous law of formal logic. Law of contradiction. According to the law of contradiction, the same predictor cannot be both affirmed to the detained precisely of the same subject for every proportion P. It is not the same that P is both true and false. Law of extensibility. If P is the statement proportions, that either P is true or P is false, there is a cannot be middle ground. Connectivity and compound statements. Statements can be connected by words like a, not and etc. These words are known as logical connectivities. The statement which is do not contain any of the connectivities are called atomic statements or simple statements. The common connectivity and used are negative and there is equants. The connectivity along to the symbols combined to various simple statements, compound statements. A statement that is formed from atomic primary statement through the uses of essential connectivities is called a compound statement. Truth table. The table shows the truth value of a statement. Formula is called truth table. Conjunction. A compound statement obtained by a combining to the simply statements say P and Q by using the connectivities and is called a conjunction. That is conjunction of two statements P and Q statements. It is reads into P and Q. The statement PQ has the truth value T whenever both P and Q have a truth value P, otherwise P and Q has a truth value F. The above property can also be written in the form of table below, which is regarded to define P and Q truth table. Given the example of truth table for the conjunction P, Q, P and Q. From the conjunction of Delhi is India 5 plus 7 equal to 12 solution P and Q statement. Delhi is an India and F 5 plus 7 equal to 12. From the conjunction of P, it is a raining, then the sheing solution P and Q, it is a raining and the son of the sheing. Example, construct a truth table for a conjunction of n is less than or equal to 3 and n is less than or equal to when solution n is greater than or equal to 3 and n is less than or equal to 10. Conjunction statement n is less than or equal to 3 greater than or equal to 10 true. The truth table is given below. Disjunction: any two simple statements can be combined to the connective or from the statement called disjunction to the statement. That if P and Q simple statements, the statement P and Q are disjunction of the P and Q. The disjunction of P and Q is denoted symbolically P by P and Q. P and Q read as P or Q. P is true of Q is true to both of the P and Q is the truth or false. Truth table. Negation: let P and P be the busy simple statement. The negation of P is formed by writing false. It is false that before P. The negation of P is also obtained by writing P is false. The negation is P is denoted by minus P. The statement P is true, then is called P is true, and P is the false, then is true. Then truth table for negation is given below. Example in the table: proportion. If PQR is the simple statement, then the compounds statement PQR is called proportion. The statement PQR is called a substatement of variable of P. The truth table of proportion of P depends on the truth value variable P and PQR. If the truth values of variable are known to us, then we can find the truth value of the proportion P, and a truth table is simply way to show in the relationship. Example to the given table. That is solved examples. We can solve these examples. Thank you to all.